All right, people, welcome to a fun-filled YouTube unboxing. It's been kind of a weird 2020 for me, as it has for so many other people. So now I'm just getting my Rick pants, and I'm getting one of my Rick jackets to put on. Like, boom. I'm feeling like, you know, taking stock of my jacket game. Woo! Almost fell on my ass. Because we done caught. Oops. I hope that didn't give out personal information. Actually, you know, I'm moving, so who gives a shit? When caught some of this here, you know, I'm off my Rick copping game because of all this virus bullshit. I really feel like I don't have my usual mojo going for this unboxing. Not that I have a lot anyway, but just having this box in the house is making me tense. Even though, okay, now we got this. We got a new Rick jacket. Shit, dude, this looks fucking awesome. This is a 52. Let's ooh. Yeah. Yes, bro. Let's make sure they don't have the thing that. Oh no, it's Nordstrom. They got no return policy. All right, so let's put on the new Rick jacket, and it's a creech, which means it's got that signature curving zipper thing. Yeah, let me show what I'm talking about. These are creech zippers. I've seen them. I haven't actually touched them. I haven't got this for the first. Okay, let's see. Does this fit? Oh. Huh. All right. So I mean, I can feel a little tightness across the shoulders, but it's not like crushing me the way I got that medium dark shadow jacket that absolutely would not friggin' fit at all. You know what? Good thing I got this from Nordstrom, because I'm not 100% on this thing. Maybe it's a little bit like a raincoat, sort of. Obviously, it's probably better unbuttoned. So you try this unbuttoned. Yeah, wow. So this unboxing has really been a sign of the times. I don't know what to say about this. I feel it feels smocky and not. I need to better look at this thing, and not in a good way. Maybe if I tried something. Well, one thing is the light is friggin' killing me. This is not a very good broad daylight kind of look, which immediately tells me that it might just not be a good look at all. It's a pain in the fucking ass. Pardon my French here. Maybe if we reduce the sunlight, I turn the air conditioning off. Just. Jeez, this fucking unboxing video sucks. Alright. Why can't I even get a friggin' good look at the way this outfit looks right now? Fucking now. Nothing is fucking working. Yeah. I don't know, I'm not sure. It's got kind of like a, frankly, troubled loner vibe, which I don't think is a vibe that I really need to be putting across any more than I already do naturally. Now, you know, this is just gonna be like 20 minutes of dithering. But what if? Well, this is a definite maybe. This is a definite maybe. And like I said, it's Nordstrom, so it's no harm done if I decide that I want to return this thing, which I wouldn't be terribly surprised if I ended up doing. All right. Stay artisanal, everyone. Jesus, I look like shit too. My God. So fucking year fucking sucks.